How to recover Facebook account. We don't recognize your device on Facebook problem. So if you find this video tutorial helpful, please subscribe to this channel and as well as click on the notification bell icon so you'll be updated if there are new uploads here. So right now we are on our phone and I will guide you on how to do this. So the first step is actually really easy and everyone can do it. So if you have Facebook Lite on your phone, you just need to uninstall it. So click on uninstall, and if you have already uninstalled it, just download the original Facebook app on your phone, and let us go to our Play Store and then type in Facebook. So you don't need actually to update your Facebook here, we just need your Facebook app. So let's go and proceed to the solution. Let us go to our browser, and in our browser let us type in no email and no password. Alright, so once you have done that, you will be greeted, or you will see a lot of links for you to choose on which solution it is, but we are going to go to the first link. Alright, so this is the Facebook Help Center. So scroll down and go all the way down. If you don't see it, just look for the login troubleshooting tips. After that, what we need to do is click on learn what to do if you think your account is hacked. So you have here a drop down arrow. Let us go and get started. So click on the or tap on the first option right here. Someone else gain access to my account. After that, no, I can't log in. And also you need to say no here. No, I don't have access. Right, and a link will be provided to you that is named facebook.com/login/verify, and then you could just enter your email since you have or you will be recovering your account, or you can also search by your email or name instead. So just tap on that option. So if you tap on that, you will be able to search for your name. So let's search for my name. Tap on search. Then I can see here my account. Tap on that. And you have here a password. So let us try another way. And not you. So we don't have access to this. So let us go in not you. So you can also here search by your email or name instead. And then if you have done that, you will get a prompt like this. So if you get a prompt like this, what we would do is go back to our Facebook and log in our account. So don't worry guys, I will show you on how we can do this step by step. So make sure that you are watching the whole video. So we have here our account or your login Facebook in your Facebook app. So let us go and click on your find your account. So you must tap on that option. It is under the login into another account. Alright, so once you have done that, let us go and search by your email. So in here, you can just type in your name here. You don't need actually to have your email since you don't have access to it. So just type in your name and don't worry, it will also lead to your account. So just type in there in the email text box. So right here we have our choose a way to log in or to sign in. So we have our password. Since we don't have access to it, or maybe our password have been changed, you could just go to the get a code option here. It is down below the login button. So okay, so once you are here, we will ignore this because we don't have any access to these, like the SMS and the email, remember. So we have here in the all the way to the bottom, you're gonna have the no longer have access to these option. So once you see that, what you need to do is just go and go to that. Okay, and you will see this page. I've lost access to my login details, and you can tell them the Facebook support management, and you can also start the process by pressing the start button at the bottom below. So we have a lot of steps, a few steps remaining. So once you have done that, you will receive a code. Since you have requested a code, just check your email, and then you will see the code there that is sent by the Facebook. Yes, sent by Facebook. And if you don't have the code, just request under the code and they will send it to you. And of course, you have the code already. Just type in the code to confirm a new login email, since we don't have the new login email anymore, or the previous login email anymore. So once you are sure of the code, just confirm it, or you can also resend the code if you don't have if you haven't received it. So you have also here a confirm it's you on the next step. You can take a video selfie or enter the old password. You can also type or tap in the see more button right here, and in the see more button right here, you can identify yourself in a lot of ways, or in any other different ways if you don't want these two options right here. So after you have done that, you can also choose a type of ID to upload, like passport, driver's license, national ID. So you have a lot of options right here, so that you would be able to prove that it is you that's the owner of the account. So once you have done that, just take a picture of your ID, or you have chosen an ID. Just take a picture and make sure that the picture is clear and can be seen. So those are the steps that you can do to recover your account if you do not have access to your email anymore. So okay, so you will receive a message just like this one. So you will wait for 48 hours for this to arrive, or for the decision to arrive. So after 48 hours, you will see a email just like this one. So if you see an email just like this one, you can type in the reset password option. So if you reset your password, you will have to undergo a fast process. So just type in that reset password so you can reset now your password. So in here you can type in your new password, and then if you are sure of the password that you have put in, you can now click on the reset button, and this will reset your password, and you can now log in and try to log in to your Facebook account. So I hope this video helps. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to this channel, and goodbye.